Yes, you can make 15 crores with just 10,000 rupees per month. Surprising, isn't it? No, this is not related to any gambling, but everyone who follows the process discussed in this video can earn this much. In fact, many people, including myself, is creating wealth by following this process. So, please watch this video carefully till the end and you can create crores of corpus easily and have a rich financial position during your retirement. Coming to our topic, just think about it. We all have financial goals like buying a car, buying a house, or planning for retirement. But when it comes to making those dreams a reality, while loans and savings are options, these are not gonna really help you because loans will create an obligation for us to pay EMIs without missing them, and savings will also not be sufficient, especially when inflation is creeping up. So, the best possible solution is investment. Considering the inflation, this investment is gonna work like magic without a magic lamp. Now, you know that you have to compulsorily invest. Now let's move on to how you can make this investment, which I am going to show you in this video with real calculations and practical proofs. With that note, let's start today's video. I am CA Mahadev and welcome to our channel Money Grower Mahadev. If I ask anybody what is the retirement corpus you need or what amount you need today so that you can stop working and retire happily, some might say it as 1 crore. Now let's check how this 1 crore can be built so easily. See, to build this 1 crore, there is a practical rule called 15:15:15. So as you see my screen, if you invest 15,000 for 15 years at a 15% return, it will turn into 1 crore. That's how easy it can be to make 1 crore within just 15 years. That means if you are currently at 25 years of age, you will have a whooping 1 crore in your pocket by the time you hit 40 years. This method of investment is called SIP, which is successful globally in creating crores of wealth. How is it so successful? Here, please understand that investing in SIP mode allows you to build wealth over time by harnessing the power of compounding, which is the biggest advantage of investment. To understand it more better, let me take you back to my screen where we have created 1 crore of corpus. Here, as you can see, we have just invested 25 lakhs and the returns are around 75 lakhs. And these returns are created simply by compounding. Now, I hope you have understood the power of compounding and the wonders it can make. Let's move on to the next step of creating even more crores of wealth for ourselves. Firstly, we should understand how much retirement corpus we will be needing. This calculation is based on our current expenditure and the inflation rate at which these expenses are going to be increased. To make it more simple, I will show you how to calculate this. Let's say, for example, if your age is 25 years and your current expenses are 20,000 per month, if you are planning to retire at 55 years of age, you will be needing 3.5 crores of corpus to have a lifestyle you are currently enjoying. Now that we have calculated the retirement corpus we will be needing, now let's see how this can be created using SIP mode of investment. If you see my screen, it shows if we invest just 5,000 per month for 30 years, we can easily make 3.5 crores of corpus. Here, you may get some doubts like, Mahadev, what if we don't have 5,000 per month to invest because our income being less? Or where should we invest to get this return of 15%? Now, I will provide solution for all these problems or doubts which you are having. Let me break these questions one by one. Firstly, if you can't invest this much of amount monthly, I will suggest you to invest now as much as you can and keep on increasing this amount as your salary gets increased. This is called step up SIP, which means you will increase your investment amount as your income grows every year. So as you see my screen, the step up SIP calculator shows that even if we are investing 2,500, which is half the amount we are investing in regular SIP, but by stepping up with 10% every year, we are easily making more than 3.5 crores of corpus with the step up SIP process. Then let's move on to our second problem, which is how to make 15% of return. Please understand that this SIP is not an investment instrument but a mode of investment. That means you have to first select the investment instrument like gold, mutual funds or direct stocks, and after selecting these investment instruments we are going to invest in these instruments using SIP mode of investment. And to attain this 15% return, the best and reliable instruments are Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. These two are considered most reliable index funds that one can invest without having any previous investment knowledge. And based on the past performance, this Nifty 50 has delivered 12% CAGR return and the Bank Nifty has given 18% of CAGR. Based on this, if we invest half of our SIP into Nifty 50 and half of our SIP into Bank Nifty, we can easily make 15% of return. A disclaimer that even based on the past performance, these has delivered 15% of return. It is important to note that it can't guarantee the same rate of return in future as well. Now you got complete picture of SIP investment. Let me show you how you can make 15 crores with just rupees 10,000 per month. Again, as you see my screen, if we invest just 10,000 per month and stepping up with just 10% as our income grows over a period of 30 years until we retire at a rate of 15%, which is a more reliable target, making 15 crores is that simple. Now we have understood what is SIP and how much we should invest through this in attaining our retirement corpus and also where to invest this. We now understand the other important principle which makes this SIP more beneficial, and this will be our final topic of discussion for today. As we all know, markets are volatile and here lies the biggest advantage of SIP, which is beating markets volatility. When you do SIP, you invest at different prices and reduces the risk of markets volatile by ensuring a fair prices. So you don't need to time the market at all. So what are you waiting for? Delaying your investment could mean missing out on significant returns. It is always better to start our investment journey today and enjoy the benefits of power of compounding. Also, by choosing SIP method, you can beat markets volatility. So that our video comes to an end, let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and also don't forget to share it with your friends or family, particularly who are earning but still not focusing on creating their retirement corpus. If you have liked this content, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get more and more of this type of content on investment and achieving our life goals, which I will be posting regularly in this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, I am Mahadev signing off for today. Keep following Money Grower and let's grow all our money together.